I'm Yul Doroteo, Chair of the Board of the Framework Convention Alliance. As you know, tobacco use is responsible for 10% of all adult deaths worldwide. Civil society organizations in all regions of the world have long fought to reduce tobacco use. And at the turn of this century, they participated in talks led by the World Health Organization about what actions to take. The result is the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, or FCTC, one of the most successful treaties in human history. FCA's nearly 500 member organizations in over 100 countries have been working hard to strengthen the FCTC since its adoption in 2003. This includes advising and assisting governments on how to put the treaty's measures into practice. Earlier this year, the FCA's Global Board of Directors approved a new strategic plan that will guide our work until 2017. We'd like to tell you about it.
Our vision remains the same: a world free from the devastating health, social, economic, and environmental consequences of tobacco and tobacco use. Our mission, however, has expanded. We still seek to strengthen the WHO FCTC and support its full and accelerated implementation worldwide. At the same time, the mission now recognizes FCA's work to integrate the FCTC into broader international health and development efforts. We are also seeking novel strategies to free the world from tobacco-caused harms. This is reflected in our strategic priorities. Strategic priority number 2 directs us to further position the tobacco epidemic as a global public health and development priority and promote the FCTC as the best means to address the epidemic. Our 5th strategic priority is to ensure that the FCTC remains relevant and responsive to global changes that affect tobacco use, in particular, changes in strategies, tactics, and behavior of tobacco companies.
So what do those changes mean? Basically, more than a decade after the FCTC came into force, the FCA is adjusting to changing circumstances. While the treaty has a great ratification record and has been touted as the most rapidly embraced UN treaties, implementation of its measures like smoke-free spaces, a ban on advertising, and raising tobacco taxes has been low. There are many reasons for this, including a lack of whole-of-government engagement and implementation of the FCTC at national level, limited political will, a shortfall in resources, and last but certainly not least, continuing interference from the tobacco industry. However, there's signs of hope. The campaign to have the FCTC recognized as a global development priority took a leap forward when it was included in an early draft of a document that will feed into the creation of a new set of sustainable development goals that will replace the current Millennium Development Goals, the MDGs. The FCA is confident that we, and a growing number of civil society, governments, and international bodies that partner with us, are on the right track of realizing our vision, a world free from the devastating health, social, economic, and environmental consequences of tobacco and tobacco use. Please join us.